How to enable background audio feature on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Log into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. In here, scroll down. In Content and Display, you'll find background audio. This is not available in my region, so I've added the picture. Simply click on background audio to turn it on. Make sure white circle is on the right side and the background audio is enabled. And this is how to enable background audio feature on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more got question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.